Every day, more than 1 billion liters of milk are produced worldwide.
Behind this everyday drink lies one of the most advanced farming systems on Earth. This is not traditional farming anymore. This is next-level dairy technology.
Robotic milking systems now operate around the clock.
Each cow is digitally identified and tracked. Cows choose when to be milked, without stress or force. Lasers guide the machine with millimeter precision. One system can milk hundreds of cows every single day. Mega dairy farms manage thousands of cows with smart planning. Every movement is monitored in real time. Technology reduces labor while improving efficiency.
Cleanliness is essential for healthy milk.
Comfort keeps cows calm and relaxed.
Temperature and air quality are constantly controlled. Healthy, stress-free cows produce better milk.
Milk never touches human hands.
Quality is tested instantly. Anything abnormal is rejected immediately. Milk is cooled within minutes to stay fresh. Everything is designed for efficiency.
Automation makes dairy farming more profitable and sustainable. From farm to factory, technology leads the way. Millions of cows. One intelligent system.
Millions of cows. One intelligent system.